Firstly, let me say Happy New Year to all Fijians, and particularly to the people of Bono Levu who have been affected seriously by TC Yasa. It's day 1 of 2021, but it's day 14 since we had TC Yasa here in Bono Levu. I'm glad to report that the immediate response and recovery is progressing well, and as Minister responsible, I'm quite satisfied with the achievements so far. We are maintaining our focus. Let me begin by thanking all agencies that were involved in the response over the last 14 days. It's not only government but non-government organizations and the United Nations as well. Through this collective effort, we have achieved a lot in terms of responding to the communities here in Bono Levu. I'm really grateful for the work and the commitment and the sacrifice made by civil servants, but this is the nature of the job, and I'm thankful that a lot of agencies, individuals sacrifice their time to be part of this emergency response, and of course we value that greatly, and we just hope that people will also appreciate the commitments and the sacrifices that they have made. And the key message to everybody: let's just maintain the tempo, and of course maintain the level of work so that we can get back to normalcy without delay.
Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Thank you very much. Keep up the good work. Naka. Set. Kita santos tercik. Nggak boleh besar. Naka, thank you. Thank you. Pulang. Thank you very much. Ya. Ini ya. Esok. Dulu nani yang berbau. Pada ni Naka, nggak boleh tinggal beneran. Tapi ni ya. Nak. Pulang. Yang paling pulang. Nak. Pulang. Baby, you're okay though. Yeah. Pulang. Nak. Pulang. Tak, materi satu go. Sorry.
Siapa kira kau telah tisu? Happy New Year!
Dah pulang? Sedia? Pulang? Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Boleh lebih terapi? Happy New Year! Saya